Okay, so next piece of the puzzle is Dropbox. Again, superb application on the mobile, which makes it really easy. And you can also link it into your Mac here straight away. So then you've got all your docs. And it just, the only thing with Dropbox is be careful that you don't have the sync system where it's storing everything on your Mac, because then your Mac just shuts down and runs out of storage. I made that mistake. So you want to make sure that you're only putting the important stuff on your Mac, and then I pretty much run the desktop version with my team. So we all have access to various different folders. So, you know, I've got my own personal folder, which obviously no one can see, just stuff for me. And then we've got, you know, important, you know, stuff, Luke Holmes, and then, so we can just share. What's also great about Dropbox is you can use HelloSign as part of their, I think it must be their sister company. So when you want contracts signed, documents signed, schedule of work signed, you can just ping them straight from Dropbox, and it works really well. If you are on the move, you know, so we have, I'll just show you a bit of the sort of marketing side of things. We have, if I'm on the move or any of the team are on the move, we say want to create some refurbishment stuff, you know, we just drop whatever, you know, just some refurbishment pictures. We just upload them from our phones into here, before and afters, and then the marketing team will just pick them up and use them for the posts on Instagram, on Facebook, whatever it might be. The idea is we're just collecting content all the time, and you know, relevant content. We're dropping videos in here, we're dropping all sorts, and then they get repurposed up, and then we put them out there for the marketing side of things, building the brand, all that good stuff that we talk about. So Dropbox serves as many different functions, mainly file storage and image storage and videos, but there are obviously the HelloSign side of it as well, which is fantastic for getting contracts signed. But works really well. The phone app's really good. So get that on your phones, get it into your life, and start using it with your team.